at about 200 feet. He's going to fly along the runway. Notice how the nose pitched down from the takeoff attitude as he heads down the runway. And he'll transition to cruise. He can fly from 0 to pure hover up to 62 miles an hour in cruise as an ultralight. So you notice the nose, the pitch angle of the fuselage. And you see the propellers on each side. What a beautiful sight here at Oshkosh 2022. Look at that aircraft. Innovation, ladies and gentlemen, you won't see anywhere else but right here at Oshkosh. And the folks ordered up the perfect weather with the perfect sunset. It just doesn't get any better than that. He's coming back towards you now from the west, headed back to the east.
Okay, get my camera out.
Blackfly can turn around in a spot and come right back to where it came from very easily. You got to see some of the maneuverability out there beyond the trees as it turned. Here you get to see the aircraft. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, as it comes by. Listen to the prop noise, engine noise, or lack thereof, and watch the maneuverability as Caleb brings the aircraft into a very slow forward flight. Notice the pitch up of the angle of attack change of the fuselage, and then the rotating engine containers there in the aircraft as the speed changes. Watch the maneuvering of the control surfaces and the engines there. You get to see it again here on the other end. That is absolutely spectacular. Innovation at its best, ladies and gentlemen. You get to see it here first at Twilight Flight Fest. So there he goes, successful landing. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? A huge round of applause for Mr. Caleb Goldstein and Blackfly from Opener. Now you notice that the aircraft, the design requires